Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.3. Trees are the kindest things I know from standard 8th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.3 ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आय नो या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. पिक फ्रॉम द पोयम वर्ड्स दॅट राइम विथ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. कवितेमधून पुढील शब्दांशी यमक जुळणारे शब्द लिहा. ए फन, बिगन आणि सन. बी नो, नो आणि ग्रो. सी नाऊ, काऊ आणि बाऊ. डी साइट, लाईट आणि नाईट. ई फ्लाय, स्काय आणि ललबाय. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. पिक फ्रॉम द पोयम लाइन्स दॅट क्रिएट अ पिक्चर इन युअर माइंड. तुमच्या मनात चित्र निर्माण करणाऱ्या ओळी कवितेमधून निवडा किंवा शोधा. Answer: A. And in the spring new birds of green. B. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. C. And leaves to burn on Halloween. D. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of the morning sun. E. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. F. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Next question number 3. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. या कवितेमध्ये कवीने झाडांचा उल्लेख सर्वात दयाळू गोष्ट अशी केली आहे. या कवितेमधून झाडांचा दयाळूपणा सिद्ध करणाऱ्या 5 गोष्टी शोधून लिहा. Answer: 1. Trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees give fruits. 3. Birds gather on their boughs. 4. Trees give wood to build houses. 5. Trees give leaves to burn on Halloween. Next question number 4. Find words that describe the following. खालील शब्दांचे वर्णन करणारे शब्द शोधा. 1. Sleepy cows. 2. Green new birds. 3. Morning sun. 4. Drowsy lullaby. 5. Kindest trees. Next question number 5. Pick out lines that mean the following. खाली दिलेल्या वाक्यांचे अर्थ सांगणारी वाक्ये कवितेतून शोधा. 1. Trees provide shelter for animals. Answer: and spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees provide food for all. Answer: they give us fruit in leaves above. 3. Trees are most lovable. Answer: trees are the kindest things I know. 4. Kids love to listen to songs from trees. Answer: they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. 5. Trees live a simple life. Answer: they do not harm, they simply grow. Next question number 6. Think and write in your own words. विचार करा आणि तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात उत्तरे लिहा. Question number 1. What living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. कोणकोणत्या सजीव गोष्टी एकमेकांना हानी पोहोचवू शकतात अशा कोणत्याही 5 सजीव गोष्टींची नावे लिहा. Answer. Living things that can harm another. 1. Human being to human being. 2. Human being to animals. 3. Animals and birds to human being. 4. Birds to germs and insects. And 5. Human beings to trees. Next question. Question number 2. Why are trees called harmless? झाडांना निरुपद्रवी असे का म्हणतात? Answer. 1. Trees are really harmless because they never harm anything anywhere in the world. 2. Whereas they help all the living things on the face of the earth. 3. They maintain the balance of nature. 4. They keep the environment clean and pure. 5. They are very helpful to the earth and the living beings on the earth. So they are helpful and harmless. Next question. Question number 3. Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. Halloween हा सण पश्चिमी देशात 31 ऑक्टोबर रोजी साजरा करण्यात येणारा सण आहे. व्हॉट इज द सीझन देअर? तेव्हा तिथे कोणता ऋतू असतो? व्हाय डू यू थिंक इज देअर अ नीड टू बर्न लिव्स ऑन हॅलोवीन? तुमच्या मते हॅलोवीनच्या दरम्यान पाने जाळण्याची आवश्यकता का आहे? Answer. 1. The season autumn in Western countries is during October. 2. I think there is a need to burn leaves on Halloween to make fire and to ward off evil spirits from their life. Next question. Question number 4. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? झाडाचा कोणता भाग दिवसाचा शेवटचा प्रकाश धारण करतो? Answer. The period between day and night, evening is referred to in the above lines. The birds of the tree hold the last light of the day. Next question. Question number 7. Search for a short poem about trees in your mother tongue. वृक्षाविषयी तुमच्या मातृभाषेतील एक कविता निवडा. Write it in your notebook आणि ती कविता तुमच्या वहीत लिहा. And translate any 2 stanzas from the poem into English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हा प्रश्न तुम्ही स्वतः तुमच्या वहीमध्ये सोडवायचा आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. तुमची शेजारची व्यक्ती दुसऱ्या बांधकामाला जागा करण्यासाठी एक प्रचंड जुने वडाचे झाड तोडून टाकत आहे. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor, trying to stop him from having it cut down. तुमच्या शेजाऱ्याला झाड तोडण्यापासून परावृत्त करण्यासाठी तुमचे आणि तुमच्या शेजाऱ्यामधील काल्पनिक संभाषण लिहा. Answer. Myself. Good morning, sir. I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down. Neighbor. No dear, this tree is of no use now. It's too old. Myself. No sir, being too old, it's more useful. It has been providing us oxygen for years and years. Neighbor. That's true, but there is no option for me. Myself, think about birds who build nests in it, children who play under its shade, cattle who rest in its huge shade. Neighbor, you are right, but myself, besides it, it has been maintaining balance of nature, controls pollution in our area. Neighbor, yes dear, you have opened my eyes. People have been worshipping it for years and years. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments. Myself, you can extend your construction at the back and save this precious banyan tree. Neighbor, sure my dear, now I understood its value. We will protect it. Myself, oh, that's great. Thanks sir for being so kind. अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही हे संभाषण पूर्ण करू शकता. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.3 ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आय नो या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.